We're building a PC for you. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's get to work. We just put in the
CPU and the motherboard.
yeah, and it felt like doing surgery. My heart is racing. And we officially have the RAM in place, and look at this beauty. We're about to boot the system for the very first time to make sure everything runs. This is it right here. Oh boy, it's lighting up. Oh boy.
Here we go.
We have life. I like to think of myself as someone who likes to tinker, but building this is not fun. This is too difficult. We've just put everything together. It's on the ground. Everything looks like it's running. Okay.
At least all buttons work. Are all the fans working?
No. It's currently 9:30. We're finally getting to the Windows installation, which we just got this, where it basically, we were worried that the M.2 SSD wasn't installed. But if we look at this, it is. And we're that good. Big update for you guys. Ta-da! I'll be transforming into my Paul Tech Tips now, so if you guys need any help, just bring my line.